Namaskar. In previous lessons, we had learned about some Sringarik Hastaks. Today, we will learn about some more Sringarik Hastaks. Today, we will learn about the last two Sringarik Hastaks. Sringarik Hastaks number 9. Srota. Both hands move upward till forehead level, fingers tapering down, then sharply move down and fall on both sides of the body about 12 inches away. Palms facing outward. So, from Utpatti, 1 and 2. 1, 2. So, from here, 1, 2. 1, 2. So, I am doing only the hastaks. I am not taking the fera or feri. The technique is 1 and here the hastaks is complete. Now pull it 2, 1, 1, 2. Again 1. Now starting from here 1, 2. Again from Utpatti 1, 2. Follow the style carefully for a better understanding. Palms should face upwards. Bend your body slightly, not too much. Eyes should follow the hand. Make sure you have to bend slightly, but not like that or that, slightly bent. If you have any query or doubt in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing. Sringarik Hastaks number 10, and the last Sringarik Hastaks is Ardhaanga. The palm near the chest in Sthira Hastaks is held fully erect upwards, facing sideways and out. So you can do it like that. Or like that. Or you can spread your legs. I am doing it once again. From Sthira position 1. Here notice, I am not bending here or here. Just I am holding the core strength. Then slightly tilt the backbone and looking from here. I am not looking from here, I am looking from here. 1. So from here to 1. Follow the style carefully for a better understanding. Palms are near to the chest and fully erect upwards. Eyes should look behind the shoulders as in picture. If you have any query or doubt in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing. Hope you enjoyed today's class. I will be uploading a new tutorial every Sunday. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and select the all option to never miss an update. You can also like, comment, share and send your feedback. For detailed online and offline classes, you can contact with me via email. You can find my email address in the description box below. So, stay connected, stay safe, and keep learning. Happy dancing!